Hello everyone, we are from Group PBL EF4PA05 and today we would like to present our project Aksara, which stands for Akses Komunikasi Orang Tua dan Sekolah. Aksara is a web-based school management system designed to bridge the communication gap between schools and parents. My name is Muhammad Rizky Febrian and together with Tito Putra Pratama, under the supervision of our project manager Ms. Nur Zahrati Jana, Eskom MSc. Let's start with the context behind Aksara. In many schools today, there three things still happen the old way. Communication between school and parent relies heavily on instant messaging apps like WhatsApp group chats, which is unstructured and easy to miss. Attendance is still recorded manually, which is time-consuming and prone to errors. And parents have little to no visibility into their children's daily activity at school. This brings us to one clear conclusion: a web-based system is needed to integrate all school-to-parent communication into a single centralized platform. And that's exactly the problem we are addressing. This gap creates three specific pain points. First, there is no centralized communication, which makes information scattered and hard to manage. Second, manual attendance and documentation process that lead to errors and wasted time. And last, limited accessibility, which makes user cannot get information anytime from any device. These are the challenges that motivated us to build Aksara. So, how does Aksara respond to these challenges? We respond to these challenges through our four core features, such as attendance management to digitalize and streamline the process, activity documentation to keep school records organized in one place, announcement to ensure information reaches parents instantly, and class schedule that is accessible anytime from any device. Aksara brings all of this together in one platform.
On this slide, we use Scrum methodology for the system development. There are several main stages, such as the product backlog, where we list all the system requirement. The sprint planning dedicate feature for each sprint. The sprint develop of the system. Next, daily scrum, check daily progress. And sprint review. Sprint review is evaluate result. Sprint retrospective, improve the next sprint. On this slide, we explain the application architecture, such as a front end. We use the Laravel and the Tailwind CSS to create responsive interface. And the back end, we use the Laravel to handle system logic, API, and authentication. And the database, we use MySQL for the store data, and then we use GitHub for the version control and the team collaboration. Project progress. On this slide, project progress 45% complete and 55% remaining. We started by the system requirement, key feature, and the user stories. We plan 8 sprint. We have complete 4th sprint, such as the sprint system setup, sprint 2 user data management, and the sprint 3 activity documentation, and then sprint 4 school announcement. This is a documentation of PBL. Thank you very much for attention.